Hey, it's Elizabeth from Tilda. Today, let's explore how to animate text on scroll with a 3D effect. Let's get started. Create a zero block, delete all the default elements and configure the artboard settings. Enable autoscale and set black as a background color. Then, add a text element and increase its font size to 200 pixels. Duplicate this layer by dragging the text box while holding down Alt or Option keys. Now add an image by dragging it into the zero block and align it to the center. Select the first line of text, send it to back, and add the step-by-step animation. Here, set the event on scroll, add a new step, set the distance to 500 pixels, move X -300. Great, we have just set up a sequence that makes the text box move 300 pixels left as you scroll. Now let's copy this animation and select the second line of text. This layer we want to bring to front. Add a step-by-step animation, paste the copied animation, and in the step 1, change the MoveX value to 300. The animation effect is all set up. All that's left is to add the other design elements and publish the page. Let's take a look. It works perfectly. To enable this effect for the mobile version, switch to the mobile screen in zero block, select both text boxes, and click Switch On under Mobile Animation. You can always customize the effect so that it perfectly matches the mobile design. For instance, you can reduce the move value to -150 pixels, as elements are reduced by half in the mobile version. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and share the video with your friends and on social. Also, subscribe to the Tilda channel for more web design tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye bye!